Alright, here it is. Geiger Counter extraordinaire. I'm going to plug it in right now. 9-volt battery. Make sure the switch is in the off position, which is forward that way. Plug it in. And turn it on. It's on. One thing you don't want to do is you don't want to handle any of the circuitry on the back here or touch it while this is activated. It's not going to electrocute you or anything, but it's sensitive connections back there, and that's just picking up some ambient detections here in Arizona. I'm going to introduce a check source. These are some old-fashioned watch hands. There's a little red light there. See if we can. Move it away from there. Now, we did talk about touching the connections back there. We offer this number 2 box, which fits perfectly in here. Just kind of sold separately. And kind of widen out a little bit. Fits perfectly in here. Keeps your Geiger counter and investment protected. Nice clear case. Prevents you from accidentally touching the bottom contacts. You know what? I guess you could drill a little hole right in there for the speaker. Does seem to well, there you have it. Oh. Turn it off by sliding the switch that way, away from the tube. There you go. Box sold separately. And I think we have some check source beads too that you can use as well for this. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed the video.